Alright, I've also got the sounds of the week to show you. So we've got the ch sound, like a little chick, and the sh sound, like a shell. So the way we can make a ch sound, we've got C, H, that's one. Look at your sound waves, it'll tell you the other ones. TCH could be another one. So chick, that could be chicken. There you go. That's a word. The C and the H make the ch sound. Ch, I, k, n. Chicken. And the ch sound at the bottom could be like if you want to start a campfire, you might need to light a match. So you got a, ch. All those three together. Try graph, make a ch sound. So there's three sounds. A, ch, even though there's five letters. So that is the ch sound. Now for the sh sound, we've got S and an H. It's a very common one. So that makes sh. So like shell. CH can also make a ch sound. So sometimes it's ch. It can also be sh. Like if I said, I've got a big harvesting machine. That's actually making a sh sound. Sh, e, n. Machine. What about TI? There's another one. TI. What could be a word? Station. Oh yeah. So the train station, or working on a station. That's making a sh sound, even though it's a T and an I. And CI, very similar to that one, like musician. This is making a sh sound as well. So those are the sounds of the week. You'll notice them in your focus words, you'll notice them in your spelling words. So that is what will help you learn a lot of those words because they've all got a ch sound or a sh sound in them. So that's sound of the week. Draw some pictures. You can draw some good stuff in your book as well. So that's my match. Shell, station. How would you draw a station? West. Musician. And machine. I have no idea how to draw a machine. There you go. It's got dots on it and things that turn around. It's a machine. Alright. That's it for sound of the week. See how you go with that one.